let me be real with you for a second. Most vlogging cameras today still feel like you need to adapt to them. But the new Insta360 Luna Ultra feels like it's trying to adapt to you instead. And after getting hands-on with it at the launch event, I finally understand why so many creators are talking about this camera already. Because this isn't just another camera upgrade, it feels like a full creator system. Let's start with the look. Right away, you notice the Leica co-engineered optics. And yes, that signature Leica color science is baked right in. You don't even need heavy editing to get that cinematic feel. Just shoot, and the image already looks finished. But the real surprise is what's inside. A 1-inch sensor paired with a fast aperture gives you strong subject separation, even in casual vlogging setups. That natural background blur makes it feel way closer to a mirrorless camera than a typical compact vlog device. Now here's where things get more interesting. The Luna Ultra introduces full 10-bit log recording with extended dynamic range. And if you've ever edited footage before, you already know what that means: more flexibility, better highlights, cleaner shadows, and way more control in post. But if you don't want to edit, you don't have to. Because Insta360 also gives you built-in Leica color profiles like neutral, vivid, and chrome. So you can literally shoot and upload straight to social media without touching color grading. That's a huge deal for creators who care more about speed than post-production. Now let's talk about something that completely changes solo filming: the detachable controller. It's not just a remote. It has a live preview screen with zero noticeable delay, and you can control framing from up to 20 meters away. That alone makes solo vlogging feel effortless. You set the camera down, walk into your shot, and adjust everything remotely without running back and forth. Even better, it has a built-in mic inside the controller itself, which adds another layer of flexibility for creators on the move. And speaking of audio, the new Mic Pro system is actually impressive. No receiver needed. Just connect and start recording. It even supports 32-bit float recording, which means you basically don't have to worry about clipping your audio. Loud, soft, chaotic environments, it handles everything much more smoothly. Plus, there's a small creative detail that stands out: a customizable ink display on the mic. You can literally personalize it with branding or icons, and it barely uses power. Now combine all of this together: cinematic image quality, professional-grade color options, flexible zoom capability, remote-controlled filming, and high-end audio integration. And suddenly this doesn't feel like just a camera anymore. It feels like a complete production setup in your pocket. And honestly, that's what makes the Luna Ultra so interesting. It's not trying to replace professional cameras. It's trying to remove the complexity that comes with them. So for solo creators, vloggers, and anyone who just wants to focus on storytelling instead of gear settings, this might be one of the most practical camera systems we've seen in a long time. And if this is where cameras are heading next, then the future of content creation is going to get a lot simpler.